Welcome to 16656 Antelope Creek Drive, located in the Juniper Hills subdivision just outside of Prineville, before the Prineville Reservoir. This sits on 2.83 acres, is 864 square foot as a house, 2-bed, 1 bath, with a central heating system, a pellet stove, a window AC unit, comes with all appliances, has a small shop, has another RV/vehicle cover down below that I'll show. There's connection to the septic system to dump your black water and gray water tanks if you need. It's on a community water system. Everything's in great shape. There's also a greenhouse. This is the property as it goes up the hill. There's great hiking all around and behind. Public land abounds in this area, so you can very close by get onto trails, roadways, and everything else that take you through all the public land. So just an awesome property. I'll show you around every part. Now inside the front door, moving through the kitchen, the great room area. This is the dining space. You can see that pellet stove and the AC that'll come with the home. There's central electric heat as well. Awesome, great room layout. Kitchen's in good shape. A little bit of flooring work that needs to be done. Vinyl should be changed in this space. But otherwise, the kitchen's in good condition. Has everything you need. All the appliances work great. It's a newer fridge. All the appliances do come with a home. There's a nice view out that window too. That door leads to the big front porch I'll show outside. That is the electric furnace for forced air. The primary bedroom, large, easily fits a queen bed with end tables. Moving back from here, we've got the utility room, washer and dryer included. Good size space here, functional in the middle of everything, leading to the full bathroom, big vanity. Toilet's all in great working condition, newer. Tub shower combination. A little bit of storage behind that door too. And the guest bedroom back here. Good sized closet. A built-in, nice view. Being used more for storage now, but it's a very functional guest bedroom. Absolutely ready to go. Other than a little bit of flooring work that's needed, this home is dialed and nicely laid out. Down here on the west side of the house, we've got a really cool greenhouse in perfect condition, ready to go. Water all in place. And when you live out in this high of an elevation, you kind of need to have a greenhouse. The growing season's just a little too short to get anything in the short window of kind of beginning of June to end of September. That greenhouse makes it so you can extend things by months and really get your different things in the garden going. That's a little shop beneath that was kind of repurposed from an RV. I'll show the inside of that. And then below is that car structure. I'll show that too. Also worthy of note, these decks are composite decking in beautiful condition. Now down at this little storage area / shop. It's all weatherproof, so you can get under here, do some work, keep your quad and your motorcycle out of the rain. And then this at one time was kind of a little guest house. It's been stripped down. It's good storage, doesn't leak. Could be made into a little guest house if you want. It's a repurposed trailer that has a little add-on. little cadet heater there too. RV parking. The RV dump is right over here. There's a little storage shed. And what's really cool with this RV parking area down here, it's a circular pole, so you don't have to back up here, back out, do anything like that. Here's this cover, graveled under here, but see, you can pull down this RV. He just went straight up the driveway to the side here, and then when you leave, you can go down this part. So it's pretty handy having it set up like that, so you don't have to do any backing and maneuvering. Just a great property, good location, affordable price. It's worth noting right now that the taxes on this property, they're only $572 a year. So it's cheap living. Don't have to worry about a well because there's community water down here. Power, internet's best through Starlink. It's just a great little setup.